Hello. Right now, we're gonna see uh, the process of how to upload any activity or video or anything that you have worked at home, even the goal charts that your children are going to be using at home. We're gonna see how you're gonna upload it. Let's say you go to uh, let's say today is, I don't know, Friday, and you decide to watch a class from on demand library. So you jump into the platform, go to number 7, and you select, let's say this one, Dia de Brujas punto a punto, okay? Let's say your child works with me, and then they are done with their activity, and they have their final work, right? So now when you have to, uh, this is kind of your accountability post where I would like you to regularly during the week upload any type of job or work your child is doing at home. You will go to our Facebook group, find the group. You're going to type Spanish at Home Accelerator. It's over here. It's our private group. Just members inside the group will see everything. And then you will add a picture. Okay. So you select a picture. Let's say, well, I just have some pictures here. Mia worked on this video the other day, and she's showing her cookie jar. So you just will add Mia trabajó en su clase de story time y pudo hacer su jarra con galletas, con galletas. Ya, y lo postean. Okay, and then you just post it. And then there we go. She did something today. Y todas las otras mamás la van a ver. Mira, por ejemplo, aquí nuestra amiga Miriam pudo grabar a sus niños bailando y cantando una canción mientras ella cocinaba. Tan linda. Acá también nuestra amiga Corey was practicing one of our songs, El Pato Renato, and she sent us a video. So this is what you have to do. Send a picture and send a video of the activities you are working on. And when you are ready with the goal chart, you also can upload that. Now, this is one of the ways how you can do it. Everybody can see it here. Or you can also go back to the platform, and then you can access Spanish at Home Accelerator community. It's kind of a private Facebook group, but it's inside of our platform. Okay, so you jump in, and you also have the option to upload questions, pictures, and videos. Okay, for example, here Brianna was able to tell us, a little story about her child. Ophelia as well. Brianna was the one who showed us this simple quiz that you have it inside of the platform. And this is an activity that they have worked on at home. So you just share something you are doing. It has kind of the same function as the Spanish classroom private group. So you can do it either way. You have two options. Okay, I hope that is helpful. It's very important that you do this because that is how you stay accountable with us, and we can see your progress and you can connect with us. Okie dokie, that's it, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.